So today I'm going to show you all my fidgets. These are, the only thing that is homemade is the slime, and I'll show you all my homemade fidgets in another video. But I'm going to show you all my actual fidgets, except for the slime, of course. I have them all in this bag right here, and it's a homemade bag. Not me, but my friend's mom. Okay, so let's just get started. Some of these are squishy, some of them are like fidget. So yeah, first thing, it's a squishy. It's a soft plush one. It is so cool. It does not make a noise though, which I like. It's so soft. This is the hardest one. It was a pack of 3 and it was blind, so like I didn't know which one I was gonna get. They each have names. This one was Rocky, I think. Yeah, okay. First one done. No, I'm not gonna show that one yet. Okay. I'm gonna do all the squishies first. Okay, and next one, this one. This is the softest one out of all of them. It is very fast rising, but look at the feel. Do you hear the sound? Okay, I like it, and changes colors. Silver, can't really see it, to gold, which I really like that. I wish it was just like brighter colors, maybe. Okay, last squishy. Wait, no, I have one more squishy after this. Is this one? It's a pig. Okay, I'm making really weird faces. I don't know. I'm looking at myself, but it looks like I'm looking away. So, sorry about that. This is a pig, also squishy. It's the second firmest, which I really like. Then, my next squishy is this one. This was an older one, which I actually dropped out of the car window while I was moving. Then we turned around, and it's scented. It smells like a strawberry. Smell it. It smells so good, and it's my favorite. It is so nice. It is a little unicorn. Okay, sorry, I got stuff. Okay, so it's plugged in. I would have had like the thing on. Okay, let me just move my chair for a second. Yeah. So here you go. Now you should have a better view of me, maybe. And over here, this is just gonna be like where I show. So this is, she smells so good. You just smell her again. Okay, let's not get distracted. Now I'm gonna show you my puppets. I have 2 puppets. They were both free. Well, one of them wasn't really because my brother had it, but the other one, it was free because my friend got it, and she gave it to me. Okay, so this one was my brother's, but he gave it to me, and you can hear it kind of. Maybe, I don't know if you can hear it really. So this is the bad side. Okay, there it is. And my first one, actually, I had it for like a week, and then my friend was begging for it. I'm like, stop begging for it, I'll just give it to you. I was so sad because it was a rainbow square one with letters on it, and it was literally the best puppet ever. Okay, it's a shark, cute little shark. I don't know why I'm doing that. Like, you can see perfectly fine. It's kind of like tie-dye. a little bit. Okay, next one. This one that I drew things on it. I was gonna give it to my friend, but then she moved away too fast. So then this is the other side. This is a good side to hear it. So why did you hear my brother talking? It's fine though. Okay, puppets. We're done. I only have 2. Okay, next one. This isn't really a fidget, but I have it in this bag. So I'm just gonna call it a fidget for now. Ice pack that it used to have old beads in it, but then I crushed it all up and now it's like gel, if you can see that. It's not focusing really, but yeah, it's gel. Hear this noise. It also smells so good. It smells like flour. Not like the flowers you see outside, but like flowers you make cookies with. It smells so good. Okay. Next, I think I'm going to show you my slime. Now, here's my slime. This one's in a little baggie. Then this one, it's the same thing. I just tore it apart for some reason. Then it has my name on the other side. That's why I'm not going to flip it around. Let me just get it out of this little baggie. Okay, so it has foam beads, as you can see. Then it has, so this is what it looks like. It has some wooden pieces and stuff. It has some blue beads. It has some white foam beads. It has some fish bowls. And there's a lot of them. Just a super random slime. But it's pretty good. Good pokes. It's kind of hard because like on bag, because there we go. It sounds really good. It's just you can't really hear it that well. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna show because it's gonna show my name. So. Okay. There we go. Slime. Next, I'm going to show you my monkey noodles, which I just got. They're jumbo monkey noodles. I'm so scared. And then, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have one more. Oh, yes. I'm so scared. I have 6 in total. This blue one, it's called Car Wash. Sorry about the hairs on it. It's kind of like sticks. So stretchy. They're probably my favorite fidgets. Then, pink one. Probably my favorite, actually. It doesn't look pink. It looks orange, but it's pink. Trust me. This is orange. Pink. Oh, there we go. Now it looks orange. Pink. From over here. Okay, next purple or magenta. Next orange. Next yellow. Okay, and next green. Okay, my monkey noodles. It's gonna like take too long to show all of them, so it's been 10-minute video, and I still have more to go. Okay, so I don't have that much more. I think I have one more, maybe. Oh yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna show you my stress balls. I only have one stress ball. It is such a good one. It's unicorn poop. It's not actually a stretch ball. It's not a fidget actually. I thought I would make it in this video because, you know, like, you can use it as one, like it's squishy and stuff, but it's meant for you to throw it on the wall, and it's supposed to supposedly stick to the wall, and it does. You just have to get it wet, and it is sticky if I throw it up. Okay. If I throw it at you guys, it probably will stick. There's that. And then one more thing. If I can find it. Okay. Is this very fancy, isn't it? Dun, dun, dun. Probably my most like fidget. Okay, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you didn't, that's fine. But if you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye.